Hi everyone, welcome to our demo of the AI Battery Optimizer app. This app is designed to make your smartphone battery last longer, work smarter, and adapt to your unique usage habits. This is built using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose in Android Studio. It uses a modern declarative UI framework, which is combined with Material 3 and a custom futuristic dark theme to deliver a smooth and minimal design. Under the hood, the app connects with a Node.js plus Express backend that uses PostgreSQL with Drizzle ORM for storing logs and predictions. Using advanced machine learning, the app analyzes your past usage patterns to predict which app you're likely to open next. The accuracy may vary, so it even asks you for quick information whether the prediction is correct or not and keeps improving over time. Let's start exploring the battery optimization panel. This is the battery optimization panel. Here you can see the current battery percentage along with the estimated remaining time. We designed this using Jetpack Compose components so users can easily monitor their battery health at a glance. Next, we have the Smart Prediction feature. This app uses ML logic powered by the backend to detect which app you are likely to use based on your daily routines and phone usage patterns. As you can see, it's predicting Instagram with 87% confidence, followed by YouTube and gaming with lower confidence scores. Here, Retrofit and Moshi handles the API calls to fetch these predictions, and Room database ensures they're stored locally for offline access. This allows the app to pre allocate resources intelligently, saving battery before you even open the app. Here's the dynamic performance control option. Users can manually adjust the frame rate or leave it on auto. For example, the current FPS is set to 60, but if you want to conserve battery, you can drop it down to 30 FPS effortlessly. Behind the scenes, this is managed with view model and state flow for reactive updates, while Work Manager simulates background tasks to optimize performance. Now, this is the smart brightness adjustment. By using Camera X with MLKit's face detection API, the app can sense when you look away. The screen dims automatically and instantly brightens when you look back, conserving power in a natural, intelligent way. As you can see, the user interface features a futuristic dark theme with neon blue and purple accents. This was styled with custom composed theming, Google fonts like Inter and JetBrains Mono, and smooth animations for a premium look. The design is minimalistic, making it both beautiful and easy to navigate. So, this is our AI Battery Optimizer app, a smart and proactive way to extend your smartphone's battery life without sacrificing performance. It's built with Kotlin, Jetpack Compose, Node.js, Express, PostgreSQL, Retrofit, Room, and MLKit, combining modern Android development with a machine learning powered backend. This app adapts and learns from your habits, giving you more power when you need it and saving energy when you don't.